Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST Maverick Evo CE Textile Adventure Jacket. Okay, the Maverick retails for $299.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand when an update video pricing changes, only the product itself has been completely redesigned.
You could be like one of those auctioneer dudes.
Not really. I don't think that was that clean.
Yeah, I agree. Okay,
I don't think that was that clean. So, let's begin with who is this jacket right for? Very clearly, this is a 3/4 length adventure jacket that offers multiple layers. We have windproof, waterproof, removable, insulated, removable. And then we have, of course, the heavy denier, abrasion-resistant outer shell that offers direct-to-skin ventilation when you remove the layers that are underneath it. So this is going to work great for cold weather, wet weather, or hot weather. The Achilles heel of a lot of jackets in this category is they're going to put the waterproof membrane. It's going to be fixed in the jacket. So when you zip open the ventilation, all you're doing is you're blowing air in between the windproof, waterproof membrane and the outer shell of the jacket, which dramatically reduces the effectiveness of the ventilation system, right? So that is a big plus with this jacket. And at $299, you're getting a lot of value because you have that full season usability
all year round
in one coat.
That's it.
So let's go ahead and break this bad boy down. In the second part of this video, when we get this off, Max, we're going to give you a much closer look at the layers. So let's start with sizing.
Yep, I am 5'11", 170 pounds, and this is technically a medium or a 50 euro. And it fits great.
Give him a 360.
Fits good. Not too tight, not too snug. I could probably go for a size down, but this is a very comfortable fit. And yeah, I like stuff to fit a little tight, but
I think this is the fit that most people that are riding that style would choose.
For sure.
While we're on the topic of sizing, okay, 3/4 length coat. So you're going to have right here at the waist, you're going to have volume adjuster, right? So you can go ahead and tighten up that high waist, right, with that D-ring here. You can see that as compared to the other side. You got a volume adjuster here at the bicep area. This one is going to serve a dual purpose, which we'll show you here in just a second. Turn around a little bit. When you're in the seated position on your bike and you have a 3/4 length jacket, it can tend to push up on the jacket and make the jacket feel slightly uncomfortable. So what RST has done here is there is a zipper gusset system on both sides. You zip that open, canopy opens up a little bit, so when you're sitting down, it's not just pushing up. Armor that's included with this coat. And one of the things I love with this jacket is they've included the back protector insert. It comes with CE Level 2 armor in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm. There is an adjustment system in here. We'll talk about that a little bit more in the second part of this video. It's super easy to use. And the back protector insert is Level 1 certified. The shell of the jacket is heavy denier, nylon fabric. There is some really robust fabric up here in the shoulder area. Motion panels throughout the jacket. You can see them here in the elbow. You can see them here across the shoulder. Reflectives everywhere. That logo is reflective. All these segmented patches are reflective, so visibility from 360 degrees with this jacket. There is a waterproof storage pocket here in the back. That's probably a great place. If you're going to take some of the liners out and you don't have a place in your bike to put it, you could wad them up and put them in that pocket. Go ahead and turn back around. Storage. Okay, we showed you the big pocket in the back. There is a waterproof storage pocket here. That's a ventilation. You don't even know what you're looking at, dude.
I have no clue.
Waterproof storage pocket there. Hand warmer pocket here. And what's nice with this one is it's got a fleece lining in the hand warmer style pocket. So go stick your... If you're out riding, it's a little chilly, man, you put your hands in there, bam, you're feeling great.
You're all good.
You are feeling great. Comfort lining here at the cuff of the sleeve. Volume adjuster here. Done with Velcro. Comfort line collar. Let's move on to the important part. We all like to ride when it's super nice outside, right? Riding when it's cold or rainy.
Yeah,
You've done a little bit of that lately.
Or rainy. Yeah, you got to embrace the suck.
Got to embrace the suck. Okay. This will help take the edge off, of course, because you can be dry and warm when you're in a perforated race suit. There is no dry, there is no warm.
It just sucks.
But now the riding that we all like to do is what? 80 degrees, 90 degrees, super sunny, beautiful day.
Yeah.
What do you need for that? Ventilation, baby.
Ventilation,
You need
100%.
air moving over your skin to make you feel good. And what they've done here is you pull all the liners out, and then we open up the vents. And look at this. They have a name for the ventilation system. I'm not going to say it.
Up there.
I'm not into
Cool.
buzzwords.
We're good.
Fold that little panel up, and that's a full mesh panel. It's going to drive. You don't even know what you're doing.
I know where the clip is. I can see it. Just hard to reach, man. Range of motion ain't great.
Still need your daddy to dress you. So air blowing in there. Okay. Now, up here in the bicep area, look at that vent.
Okay.
And these bikes that you'd be riding this in, you got those higher handlebars. You got your arms out in the wind. You can use this bicep adjuster to really pull that thing open and hold it open. So it's just driving air in there.
Science, man. I guess.
If air comes in, air must go
Out.
So impressed that you actually said the right word. On the back of the jacket, 2 zippered exhaust vents, right? So the air is going to drive in the front. It's going to circulate around, grab all the heat and moisture, and blow it right out the back of the jacket.
Yeah.
How does the jacket feel when you're wearing it?
It's good.
It looks good. The styling is super clean. We just showed you all the versatility this has. All that for $299.99. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to get this off Max, take it apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The RST Maverick Evo Adventure Jacket from the inside out. This is another multi-layered jacket. We have a removable, windproof, waterproof Sinaqua liner. Zips in, zips out, everything's stackable. We have a fully removable, insulated liner. Storage pockets carry over with this one. Zippered storage on the left. Velcro closure over here on the right. I like how it attaches to the jacket too. They use zippers to attach it all, so it's easy in, easy out. What's nice with having these liners removable, right? With a lot of jackets in this segment, what manufacturers will do is they will have the waterproof, windproof membrane built into the jacket. And then with your ventilation, you don't get direct to skin. You get ventilation that's blowing around in between that waterproof membrane and the outer shell of the jacket, which dramatically reduces its effectiveness. By having the ability to simply remove it from the coat, you then pick up the benefit of direct-to-skin ventilation, which during warm weather riding is the absolute most effective. Armor that's included with a jacket. We have CE Level 2 armor in the shoulder, CE Level 2 armor in the elbow and forearm. This comes in an adjustable pocket. It's a very simple pocket. You get inside the sleeve, you'll figure it out in just a second. There's a couple of layers of Velcro, right? Just little patches that allow you to raise to keep the elbow armor in alignment with your elbow, or lower, depending upon how you are shaped. Included CE Level 1 back protector. It's nice. You get a full complement of armor with this jacket. It's ready to rock when you get it. Show the jacket itself. It uses all heavy denier exterior materials, tons of abrasion resistance and protection built into that. Reflective screen printing. Logo here, those 2 panels there. Here's your zippered exhaust vents on both sides of the jacket. We have a large waterproof storage pocket back here. This would probably be a great place if you're pulling liners out. Fold them up nice, put them in the pocket, and they will store away neatly. Zippered gusset system here at the base of the jacket. This is a 3/4 length coat. So when you're in a seated position on the motorcycle, oftentimes the jacket might want to push up a little bit. You zip open these gussets. It's going to prevent the jacket from pushing up and just make the riding experience more pleasant. Motion panel across the shoulders. Heavy duty ballistic nylon here in the shoulder. Embroidered RST logo. More screen printing here is found on the sleeve. Motion panel in the elbow. More screen printing there that's reflective. The logo is reflective. Entry and exit, right? An adjustment here at the cuff. Comfort line fabric, feels good against the skin. We have zippered ventilation here in the sleeve. You can see the mesh panel behind it. There's a adjuster right here at the bicep. When you open this vent up, you'll also want to tug on this a little bit to pull the vent open and hold it open while you're riding to drive more air into the jacket. Front of the coat, and I have one of the vents open. I have the other one still in the closed position. It's just a simple flap. You know, you got a zip, you got a couple of Velcro patches. There's some reflectives there, reflective up here. Zip that open, release the Velcro, engage the snap, fold it over to get a good cleaner look, and have a nice air conditioner right in the chest area. High waist adjustment system here. It's done with Textile and a D-ring. Dual layer storage pocket, waterproof, of course. Hand warmer style right here. And the hand warmer pockets have a nice, like a fleece lining. Feel really comfortable with your hands inside. So if you need to warm up a little bit, it's just going to be more pleasant. You can see here, waterproof gutter, large main zip, snaps to tidy everything up. Inside the coat, here's your full circumference zip to pants. There are matching pants available for this jacket. If you want to add those, you zip it together for a two-piece riding suit right there with that zipper. Full mesh liner, interior storage pocket on the right is done with Velcro. On the left is done with a zipper. Here's your back protector compartment, comfort lined collar. Another well executed. This one's really affordable at the $299 price point. You're getting a whole lot of jacket for very little money when you compare it to the competition. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.